This is one of the toughest ice creams in the world. You can't cut it without a chainsaw. People will make ice cream into the same shape as an iron bucket. Then it is hoisted and sold in the square. You don't even have to worry about it melting away, because it will be sold out within 1 hour. People attracted by it have already surrounded the streets. Before selling, the chef will use a machete to break up the surface of the ice cream. Increase the force-bearing area to facilitate scraping it off. Then take the ice cream bucket with the other hand. While chopping the ice cream, press the cut pieces into the ice cream bucket. Use its stickiness to prevent the ice cream from falling. Just like this, the ice cream is ready. Dip in matcha powder before handing it to guests. Each portion is priced at $0.70. They sell more than just ice cream. There are also novel modes and fun performances. Of course, taste is also important, although its texture is very tough. But in fact, no chemical raw materials are added. It is made with fresh goat milk, sugar, and orchid stem powder, only found in turkey-rich milk flavor and mellow aroma. One bite is like taking a big bite of cheese. Delicious beyond imagination. Do you want to have a taste too?